In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to design a portfolio website like this, where your clients will see the projects you have done. They can click on any of your projects to see more details about the projects you have done. And if they are interested, they can book a free consultation by clicking on the button on this page. Let's get started. The first thing you need is domain name and hosting. The first thing you want to do is to register a domain name and hosting. Check the description box. You'll see this domain name and hosting registration. Click on the link, click on go to site, and it will redirect you to Harmon Web. Here you can register a domain name and hosting on this platform. So you want to scroll down here and click on these dots, the third one, and type in your domain name, the domain name you want to register. So you click on search. So you can see that this domain name is available. If it's not available, it will show unavailable. That means you have to search for another domain name. You can now proceed to the next step. You can click on this add to cart. Once it's available, then you click checkout. We want to purchase a hosting plan. So the hosting will allow us to install WordPress and design the website. So we are going to click on no hosting, click to add. Here it says starter plan, classic plan, and VIP plan. So we want to start with the starter plan. We're going to scroll down and click on order now. So you come over here and click on use domain. Your domain name will show up here. So you click on it, use domain, and click on use. Now you want to scroll down to this choose billing cycle. Click on it, then select how many months plan you want. So if you want 1 month price, you can select it here. In this case, I'm going to select 12 months price. It comes with a free .com.ng domain name, and then click on continue. Click on checkout. So you want to create an account here. Click on create a new account. If you don't have an already existing account on Harmon Web with Harmon Web, right? You want to create an account right here. So you fill in this form. Come over here and select. Let's say friend. You select yes. Okay. Who are you a developer? Yes. Who are you creating website for? Myself. So when you scroll down to this, you will see the payments due, the total due, and you click on check this box. I have read and agreed to the terms of I've read and agreed to the terms of service, and click on complete order. So in this case, I already have an account, so I will just log into my account. You will see log into account around here. So you click on the login to log in. But if you don't have an account, you have to select this create a new account and fill in the form. Then select I have read and agreed to the terms of service and click complete order. So if this takes time to load, you can just click on this reload button to reload the page. So you can see different payment options. You can pay with your debit card, you can pay with transfer, you can pay with bank. Just need to select your bank account. You can pay with OPay. So We are going to purchase this, going to pay to this account, and so once we have purchased the domain name and hosting, it will direct us to this page. Now we can go back to our services, click on my services, and this is the page right here. This is the domain name we purchased and the hosting. Now we want to install WordPress, and to do this we have to click on this active beside the domain name we purchased. Click on the active button, and this will take us to another page. You can see login to cPanel, login to webmail under actions. So you click on login to cPanel, and it will redirect us to another page. Okay, so this is our cPanel. You have to scroll down, scroll down to WordPress, scroll down to WordPress Manager by Substack Plus under software. Click on it. So you click on this install. Then you scroll down. Make sure you select the protocol, select HTTPS, select the third option. Make sure that this is your domain name. And if in case there is anything in this directory, make sure you remove it. Like if you see WP, remove it. Make sure that this space is blank. And you can select the version, which version you want. So I will select the latest version, which is 6.7.2. Okay. Then you scroll down to the site settings, type in the site name, then you type in your site description, and for this admin username, you can type in anything right here. So just type in something you can easily remember so that you won't forget it when you want to log in. And for this site, for this admin password, make sure you also type in something you can easily remember, and you can generate password with this key. Okay, scroll down. You can type in your email installation details. Type in your email address here. Then once you're done, you just click on install. And if you notice any error like this, you can go ahead and install this again. Just click on select and scroll down and click on install now. Wait for it. Wait for it to install. We have successfully installed WordPress. We can visit our website by clicking on this. We can go to our dashboard by clicking on the second link. Now, if you notice these sites can't be reached, just know that it's still propagating. You just have to wait for it to propagate, and this can take between 12 hours to 24 hours. So the next thing to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. To log into your WordPress dashboard, you simply come over to your browser and click on this and type in your domain name. Then you type slash WP hyphen admin. And click on enter. So it will take us to this page. Now you have to input your username and password. So once you have logged into your WordPress dashboard, the next thing to do is to install a theme and plugins we are going to be using to create our website. So the theme we are going to be using is called Hello Elementor, and we are going to click on this appearance and click on themes. Then we are going to come over here and click add new theme. The theme we are going to be using is called Hello Elementor. We can search for it right here. We can search for it right here, Hello Elementor, and we can also see it right here. Okay, so if you search for it, you are going to see this Hello Elementor. You just click on install, wait for it to install. Once you have installed the plugin, you click on activate. Done installing and activating this Hello Elementor. The next thing we are going to do right now is to install our plugins, and we are going to click on plugins here and click on add new plugin. Under plugins, click add new plugin. Now this is going to redirect us to a page where we have to install a plugin. The first plugin we are going to install right now is called Elementor. We are going to search for Elementor. We're going to search for Elementor right here. And then we click on install now. Once you're done, once you have installed this plugin, you just click on activate. Here, you just click on this. Okay, now the next plugin we are going to install is the Elementor Pro. We are going to install this through the cPanel. And for us to install this, we are going to install it through the cPanel. And for us to access our cPanel, we're going to head over to our hosting platform. So Harmon Web, I'm going to log into the client area. Now I'm going to click on these services, click on services. Then you search for your domain name. This is our domain name. Once you see it, you click on active, click on the active button. Now it will take us to the page where we can access our cPanel. You can see this login to cPanel under actions. Click on it. Now we are going to access our file manager from here. Under files, click on file manager. Then you click public HTML. Click the WP contents. Then you click themes. Then you click on plugins. You can upload a plugin here. So click this upload right now. It will take us to another page where we can select the file. So I'll click on the select file and select. Then I'll search for the Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro, just click on it and click on open. And we are going to wait for it to load. Okay, so it says complete right now, 100% complete. So once you see this green stuff, this 100%, and it shows this green, you can click on this button right here that says go back. Then this is our Elementor Pro. Click on it. Once it's selected, you can extract it from here. Click on extract and click extract files. So we are going to close this, and then we are going to move to our plugin section on WordPress Dashboard. We are going to reload this page, and then we search for the Elementor Pro. This is the Elementor Pro right here. We are going to click on Activate. Another plugin we want to install now is the Envato element. We are going to click on Add New Plugin. Then we search for Envato elements. Okay, this is the Envato element. This is the plugin. We are going to click on Install Now. Wait for it to install. So once you have installed this plugin, click on Activate. You're done installing the three plugins. Now we want to start importing the templates, and we are going to use the Envato element to import a template we are going to be using to edit our website. We are going to be using to create our website. So we are going to click on this Envato elements, click on install kits under the Envato elements. So I'm going to access a folder. I'm going to access this folder. Click on this and search for a template we are going to be using. So I'm going to scroll down and preview these templates. So if you want to get access to these templates, click on the link in the description box below. So this is the template I want to install on our website. I'm going to search for the zip file. So I'm going to download this zip file. This is the zip file name. I'm going to download it. I will drag and drop on the website to download. So once I've downloaded it, I'll click on this upload file and search for it right here. So if you want to learn how to use this template to design websites, click on the description box below and get access to the templates. You'll also learn how to use these templates. Okay. Now, once I've uploaded these templates, it's going to show this way. What we want to do is to install the requirements. Click on this install requirements here and click on install above selected requirements. Okay, click this. All right. Now we want to start creating our pages. We want to start creating our pages like the home page, about page, service page, and others. Now we are going to click on pages and click on add new page. I'm going to click on this. Now we have to add a title. So let's name this home page. Then we click edit with Elementor. So we click on edit with Elementor. Wait for it to load. So we are going to remove this. Now we want to clear this stuff here. Click on page settings. Then come over to the page layout. Click on this and click Elementor full width. So you click on this green button, Envato element plugin here. Then it will bring out the installed template kit. Under the installed kits, you will see the template you have imported or uploaded right here. So you can click on view installed kits here. We're going to search for the templates we want to use on the home page. So we are going to scroll down and search for the home page templates. So this is the home page templates. We are going to click on insert templates and wait for it to import. Now, this is the templates. You can edit all these elements here. All these elements, you can edit them. So if you want to edit the name, the text on this page, you can click on it and edit. So let's take for instance, you're a web designer. We can type that here. So you can edit all these things. So to edit this picture here, you just click on it and click on choose image. You can upload an image from here. Click on this and click on select files, then upload your image. You click on select files and select your image. Open. Then you click on select here. Right, text here. When you scroll down to this side, you can edit all this text. Okay, so let's edit this text right here. We click on this, then we can either edit from here, this title, or we edit from here. So let's once you are done, you click on publish. You can edit this button. Click on edit button here. You can paste a link, maybe your social media link or your WhatsApp link, any link at all, so people can, once they click on this contact me, they can easily reach out to you. So this depends on the social media platform you're active on. If it's Instagram, I suggest that you copy your Instagram profile link and paste it right here so they can easily reach out to you on Instagram, get access to your, view your page and know what you have been doing. Yeah. Okay, so this actually depends on your favorite platform. Copy the link and paste it right here. If it's Instagram, copy your profile link and paste it right here. Okay, so this is download CV. I don't think you need this download CV, especially when they are going to be checking out your profile, checking out your pages on Instagram and so on. So you don't need this download CV or CV stuff. But if you want to make use of it, make use of this download CV, you can actually work on it. Just click on it, just click on it, and you can start editing from here. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this for now. Click on this. So you to delete. This is the portfolio section. All right, we want to create a portfolio so we can add our projects right here. And to do this, we can simply move over to WordPress, our WordPress dashboard. So let's open a new tab. We're going to click on plugins. Click on add new plugin. Under plugins, come over here and search for portfolio. So this is the portfolio website plugin you have to install. Once you have installed the plugin, click on activate. So this is the plugin right here. Click on add portfolio. Okay, before you click on add portfolio, you have to come over to Elementor. We want to enable Elementor to have access to our portfolio pages, so we can actually edit with Elementor. This Elementor here, click on settings. Under Elementor, click on settings. Then we scroll down. Okay, by default, this won't be checked. All right. By default, this will be unchecked portfolio. So you have to click on this, check this box, and click on save changes. Now we are going to head over to portfolio and click on add portfolio. Now we're going to add a title to this. So let's name this. And then we can now proceed to edit with Elementor. Click on edit with. Now I'm going to click on the settings tab, the settings icon. Then under page layout, click on it and click on Elementor full width. We're now going to click on this green button here because we want to select a template. Click on this template folder. Now we are going to search for the template we are going to be using. I'm going to select this. You can preview from here. So I'm going to insert this template. Wait for it to upload. Now this is the template here. We can edit all the elements here. All right. So I'm going to pause this video and add a project here. So we are done editing the site. This is it. We can add a button here for free consultation, or we can add a form. To do this, we can simply head over to this plus icon, add an element. Okay, we can search for a button. All right. So now here we can add a link that will redirect people to our form, our consultation form. They can fill, in order to get in contact with us, in order to book a call, or to text us on WhatsApp or email, right? Okay. So you can write something like get a consultation, get free consultation. So if you want to change the color, the background color, you can click on style. Then you come over to this this background type. Okay, see the color right here. Click on it. You can select a color. Let's choose this. So once you're done, you can click on this publish page, this publish right here. So we can head over to our WordPress dashboard and then click on these all portfolios. Under portfolios, click on all portfolios right here. Then we scroll down to this web design. Okay, so this is the page we have created. This is the page we have created. We can click on edit. So we want to add our featured image. So we click on this set featured image right here. So I'm going to set this. Click on this or this. Let me set this one and click on set featured image. Then hold Ctrl and S to save. So you can see it's saving. Post updated. Below here. Okay, this is it right here. Now we can copy the link here. So this is it. We can copy the link and paste it wherever we want to paste it. Say we want to edit the home page now. This is the portfolio section right here. We can edit this. We can click on this edit button. Then we select the image. We're going to select this and click on select. Okay. Now you can see this link right here. Click on this and click on custom URL. Then we can paste this link right here. We can copy this link. Then we paste it right here. We can edit the text. Now we can proceed to edit other section here, but we need to create more portfolios, more projects, right? So we are going to move over to WordPress dashboard. So let's see our portfolio here. Click on all portfolio. Now you can see the one we created right here. So we can add more portfolio. You can add more by simply clicking on this add portfolio here. So the same procedure we used to create this one. So the next thing to create is the header and footer, and you can do this on the WordPress dashboard. So the first thing we want to do is to install a plugin. and we are going to add a new plugin. Click on add plugin under the plugins. Then we are going to scroll down and search for, come over to search plugins here, search for Elementor header. Okay, so this is the plugin I want you to install, Automate add-ons for Elementor. All right, you can install this plugin. Simply click on install now and wait for it to install. Once you have installed this plugin, click on activate. This is it right here. Under this plugin, you can click on header and footer builder. Now here is where we are going to create the header and footer page. Okay, so if we want to create a header now, we can simply click on add new. Then we name this in this type of templates, click on select option here, and we are going to select header. Then we are going to click on this display on entire website. Usual rules, click on this or select all. You can publish this here, and then we can edit with Elementor. Now, before we proceed to edit with Elementor, we want to add our menu. Now we are going to head over to appearance. Click on appearance. Under appearance, click on menus. Then we are going to scroll down. You can see display location header. You can select this. Now we are going to name our menu. Let's just call this menu tab. Then we click on create menu. We're going to scroll down again. Now this side, okay, under pages, most recent, and so on, we are going to select this home page. We haven't created other pages yet, so we are going to select this. We can also select this. So for now, we are going to select the home page. And once we select the page we want to add, we can click on add to menu. Okay, this is it. So if you want to add more here, you can select and click on add to menu. I'm going to click on this drop down and click on remove. Then click save menu. Here under the, so this is the header plugin. We click on header and footer builder. This is what we are editing. We just click on it. Then we click edit with Elementor right here and wait for it to load. Now we are going to select our template. We are going to click on this element Envato elements. Okay, then we click on these templates here, and then we scroll down. Let's scroll down. Okay, so this is the header right here. We're going to click on insert templates and wait for it to import. Right here, we can edit this logo. We can change this logo. Click on choose image. Then you select, you can upload your logo here. Click on upload files and click select files right here. Now okay, this is it. You can you can edit this button as well. You can change the color, you can change the style, you can add the link here. Maybe this link might be your a link to your form, your consultation form, a form people have to fill, in order to reach out to you. So you just have to put your link, your contact link here. Then under styles, click on styles here, style. Then you can edit the background color, the button color right here. Click on this. So you can change the color right here. So once you're done, you just simply click on publish. Now, if you want to add your footer, same procedure. Just go over to your dashboard, click on the plugin, click on header and footer builder under this UAE plugin. So we are going to click on add new right here, and then we are going to name this footer. Then we click on select option, select footer here, display on, click on this select entire website, then usual row. We are going to scroll down to usual rows. We click all, select all. Then okay, this is actually it. We can publish this. Then we can proceed to edit with Elementor. Click edit with Elementor. Wait for it to load. All right. Then we can click on this green button, this Envato elements. Click on this. We're going to search for a template. Okay, this is the footer template. We click on insert templates. Wait for it to import. Okay, this is the footer. We can edit all these things here, all the text. Okay, so let's first edit the color. Text color, we click on this. Let's choose white. Okay, put your email address here and your phone number. These social icons, you can click on it. If you don't use Twitter or X, you can remove this. So any social media you don't want, you can remove it here. You can as well add, I choose icon. Okay, so let's insert WhatsApp. Click on insert. Okay, you can see that these have changed. Any social media account you want, so you just click on add item and select, and come over here and click on icon library and select it. Once you select, you click on insert. So that's how you can select all these social icons, and you can put your profile link here. So if you use threads, you can copy your profile link on threads and paste it right here. Okay, so once you're done, you can simply click on publish.